Good morning, Primary 5. I am Mrs. Ola. Our lesson today will be Lesson 5, Unit 3, Circumference of a Circle. Okay, it's the last lesson in this unit. As we studied before in the first term, what meant by a circle? Closed curve, all the points having the same distance from fixed point, which is called center. So the center of the circle is the midpoint of the circle. Okay. Also, radius. What meant by radius? Line segment which joins the center of the circle to any point on the circle, like MN, MO, and MB. And as we said, all the radii of the same circle are equal in length. Okay. Diameter. What meant by diameter? It's the line segment which join between any 2 points on the circle passing through its center. Line segment which join between any 2 points on the circle passing through its center, like AB, line segment CD, EF, and GH. All this diameter is passing through the center O. Okay, and as we said before, the length of diameter is twice the length of radius. Diameter equal 2 by R. So when the length of radius is 5 centimeters, that means the diameter will be 10 centimeters. Okay. Now, chord. What meant by chord? Chord is a line segment which join between 2 points on the circle. Okay. So, as we said before, the chord is not equal in length, and diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Okay. Now, let's talk about the circumference of the circle. Okay. It's very important to know that when I'm talking about circumference, I'm talking about perimeter. Okay, in this unit, all the lesson we studied before is talking about area, but circumference of circle mean perimeter of circle. So it's the distance around the outside of the circle. Okay, like you see here in this figure. So here I'm talking about perimeter, not area. How can we calculate the circumference? Okay, circumference of any circle equal 2 by R. It's not 2 multiply R. 2 by, as you see this sign, by 2 dash and have 1 dash in the up, 2 by R. Okay, and this by or this sign equal 3.14 or 22 over 7. So here we have new symbol which is called pi. Okay, so to get the circumference, it's 2 multiply pi multiply r, or circumference equal by d. Pi multiply the diameter length. Okay, to get the pi, it will be circumference over diameter. To get the length of diameter, it will be circumference over pi. The length of radius will be circumference over 2 pi. Okay. As you see here, you have circle with diameter length 12 centimeter, and he asked you to calculate the circumference. Here, pi must be given. He told you in this question, the value of pi equals 3.14. Okay, to get the circumference, equal pi multiply d. 3.14 by 12. The answer will be 37.68 centimeter. Centimeter, not centimeter square. Remember, here you're calculating length, perimeter. Okay. In the second figure, you have circumference of a circle with radius equal 8 centimeter. Okay. So circumference equal 2 by r. Okay, how can we get the radius? It will be 2 by 3.14 by 8. Okay, the answer will be 50.24 centimeter. Okay, and always remember when you calculate circumference, centimeter, you're calculating length or perimeter. Now, complete the following. If the length of the longest chord, what meant by longest chord? Diameter. If the length of the longest chord mean if the length of diameter equal 7 centimeter, then the circumference equal. Okay, here I told you that the value of pi you use in this question will be 22 over 7. Okay, so circumference will be pi multiply d. 22 over 7 by 7. The answer will be 22 centimeter. Okay, in question number 2, if the length of radius of the circle equal 14 centimeter, then the circumference equal. Okay, here he gave you the length of radius, so circumference equal 2 by radius. 2 multiply 22 over 7 multiply 14. The answer will be 88 centimeter. Okay, number 3, a circle with circumference 66 centimeter, then the length of diameter. How can we get the length of diameter? Circumference divide by, okay, 66 divide 22 over 7. You can use your calculator. The answer will be 21 centimeter. Okay. Now, he asked you to calculate the perimeter of the following figure. Okay. Here you have half of circle up with a red color. Also down you have shape of triangle or something like this. He asked you to calculate the perimeter. Perimeter means the outboard side. So you will get the length of the half circle and then the length of the two sides, which makes this cone. Okay, how can we calculate the half circle? First of all, calculate the circle. How can we get the circumference of circle? By multiply d. Here you have the diameter, and the diameter equal 14 centimeter. So it will be 22 over 7 by 14. The answer will be 44 centimeter. Okay. Here you get the circumference of all circle. How can you get the circumference of half circle? Half by 44 equal 22 centimeter. Now the perimeter of all figure will be the 22 centimeter and the length of the two sides, which is 14 and 14. Okay, 22 plus 14 plus 14, the answer will be 72 centimeter. Okay, another exercise. Calculate the perimeter of this shape. Also, he told you by equal 22 over 7. Okay, here you have figure, half circle to the right and half circle to the left. Okay, and you have two sides up and down, which is 35 centimeter. The diameter of the circle equals 28 centimeter. Okay, here you can calculate the circumference by multiply d. 22 over 7 by 28 equal 88 centimeter. Okay, here you will not divide. Okay, you have half circle here and half circle here with same diameter length. So we have the circumference. Now to get the perimeter, 88, which is the circumference, plus 35 plus 35. The answer will be 158 centimeter. Okay, that was our lesson today. How can we calculate the circumference of any circle, or how can we calculate the perimeter of any circle? Okay, try to do more exercise by yourself. Thank you for your time and goodbye.